We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx Imaging. Today I am going to show you how to print a supply status on your Epson WorkForce WF-3720 printer. And these are the steps. Alright, so the supply status page, it contains useful information such as the supplies part number for reorder, devices, serial number, and much more. So to print this, you want to follow these steps. You want to slide over until you see the settings icon and press it. On the settings menu, you'll click supply status, which is right there. And then on the supply status menu, print supply status sheet. And then the printer will start printing your supply status page. Alright guys, that's it. You successfully printed your supply status page on your Epson WorkForce WF-3720 printer. Thanks for watching this video and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.